Right. So today we're going to look at how we can learn using WhatsApp. So we'll just type WhatsApp in at the search field here. Next, we have to create a WhatsApp group. Just press plus just now, and then you just type new group. Let's say we had add. Yep. One of your contact, and then we can create the names. So we have that group, right? So you can put some message here. This this is only lecture and my friend um, uh, and my communication with my lecturer on kinematics of rigid body, right? So we have that command, and then what we can do is to add the notes from our lecture. So we have HM, and then we have to find, let's say I'm looking for particles here. um, let's say we have um, yeah, so this is the lecture conduct at in 11 23rd November, right? So I just copy forward the messages, right? Yeah, because this one is not yet download. Let's say I'm downloading it. So there's attendance, you don't need attendance. So I just go directly to this forward some introduction by prof. Let's say um, so you're asking the questions. So one of my friend here, Mashita, give um, a question there, right? So don't copy this one because not allowed you to do that. So you just pick only the one without the deleted messages. Um, Now let's see what actually says. Right. That's lot of questions. So one professor is complaining, right? So let's what it says here. Right. This question has been asked before. Right. Right. So this one is good. So this one. Right. And then I paste it, send it to the new, right? So if you can see, if you forward all these question, right? So let's say this one professor is responding, so we just delete that thing. We don't need that, right? So we don't want that. His respond. I just mentioned here that this question is sent by my friends. So we just put some mark there. All question asked by my friend, right? And then we want to know is this question can be answered by my professors. So you just go back to the lecture just now. You see that WhatsApp automatically go to the old the latest messages. So we just type that again, particles. And then where is it? Right, that's one. Right. So let us see. This how you can learn how to use the nodes. So let's copy this back. You might be giving some comment word, right? Then go to kinematics, rigid bodies, right? So we want to know how you can learn what is how you can uh, comment on exercise, right? So how we can learn what is the comment of my lecturer here. So what you need to do is to um, turn on the audio. Right, this question has been asked, and then during that process, we click on the images before, right? So, so I just want to know what actually you want to ask from this question, and I don't know which group is this. So at least those who are sending the question, they should send with the which group so that I can respond. Right. So he just finished commenting, and I also going to place all the question into one group. Right. So there is a comment of that my spices, and then we're going to place on some of the uh, communication between, let's say, you and your spices, your lecturer, right? So comment on exercise. Right, let me check again. So I just prepared this one earlier, right? Copy and then I search. So I have one comment here. So let's say you want to um, see what is the comment of right? So let's say you not understand about a topics, right? You want to make sure that you are doing right. So let's say we want to print screen these messages, right? And then you go to let's say you go for pin, you open it, and then you control V, right? So this is a comment from your friends, so we just remove that comment, right? So you zoom up, right? You zoom out first, and then you find a small arrow like this, and then you drag it up, right? So and then you have another one here, you can see that, right? So or you can place this one here. So there is a comment, right, about the go, and then you can home, select all, control C, and then you go to your group, where is it, kinematic, right? So you have that one, right? So you have that messages, right? Now let's say you are not trying to edit a file, for example, right? So I just copy back again, see the name, right? Find this thing, and then you want to add something. Let's say this you have this PDF file, not PDF file. Let's say you have the one I sent. Let's say this the image I sent using bitmap. So you have to copy here, right? And then you open with Paint, Control V. So you can see some of the mistake I made. So you just go and select. You can find the free form selection, right? Let's say you are looking to look at the value here, okay? And then Control C, and then go to your code it your name, and then you can have that thing, right? So there's the one of the you can say that profile is make mistake. Information, something like that, right? um, so that is the way how you can or if you want to take some photos, for example, let's say I have some images, right? So let's say I want to find the rocker, right? Link, right? So we have rocker link, and then this or clavis, for example, clavis, right? So clavis, so this is how the clavis look like. So we can let's say we have here we have view images, then you can press print screen, go to the pane, right? Type pane, open, and then Control V, and then you drag, and then you go to that. Maybe you want to go rectangular, you just select, right? Control V, and then you just there. So you can make that comment there so that you don't forget uh, clavis, and then you want to know what is the information about clavis, so we just start there. Right, so we go back function of clavis, so you can have that definition there, so it helps you to understand. Control C, and then you can type Control V, so there's the definition. So there's a way that you can learn using WhatsApp. Hope that help.